and it is also a very taxing industry. It's one of those places that is that has the most bliss and freedom, but also a lot of pressure.
Laundry से related, आपकी life में अगर कोई ऐसे embarrassing moment हुआ है, so do you remember anything that comes top of your head?
And my mom said, तो 2-3 घंटे पहले ब्रा नहीं पहनना चाहिए था. I was just like, excuse me. For me personally, yes, that fear does creep in, that you age, you won't look like this anymore, and then you won't be like the so-called inspiration that you're bringing to the people. And I was like, oh my god, I have these marks, and I had to keep putting makeup to cover those marks.
Skin rashes होते हैं because of boob sweat and everything, and वो जो pinching and digging होती है वो elastic की. Those things, if we have a bra which is like keeping your temperature cool in such circumstances, I think it's wonderful.
It's made out of bamboo. It's like, it's innovation, it's comfort, and it's sustainable. I think it's the best combination.
Wow. And I've never thought that bra will be made out of bamboo. I mean,
I'm just so glad that now there's so much innovation and technology in lingerie that we now have so many more options.
Innovation, वो भी fashion में, वो भी bras में. I think that's
really great.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Level Up with Anona, where we take you one step ahead with every conversation of ours. Today's guest is really interesting. Please welcome Hina Somani, who is a super amazing fashion influencer, a trendsetter, and who actually knows the pulse of fashion world. And today's episode is brought to you by Enamor, a lingerie brand who is actually changing the definition of bras. You know, bra एक ऐसी चीज है which is, I think, one of the most happiest yet the saddest part of a female life. Boob sweat, rashes, pinching and digging elastic in bras. These are like some common problem that every female goes through. And Enamor has come up with technology, literally technology driven bras that can actually change the course of anyone's life. So I'm super excited to dig deep in these particular topic. And if you have any question, do share your thoughts in the comment section. Hello Hina, welcome to Level Up with Arona. How are you?
Thank you so much. I'm doing very well. Thank you.
Super excited to host you. I mean, in this particular episode, I mean, जो topic हम cover करने वाले हैं, I think this is one of the most taboo topics still somehow, lingerie. Yeah. So I'm super excited. And because you are one of the most interesting, I would say, fashion influencer of Ahmedabad. So आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखने को. I mean, lot of people, lot of girls specifically wants to be like you. मैं आप simple words में ऐसा बोल सकती हूँ. So lot to know about fashion per se, fashion industry from you. So welcome. And first of all, tell me this. ये जो fashion industry है, जैसे मैंने बोला, हर female का, हर लड़की का एक जो grow up हो रही होती है ना, उसका एक सपना होता है to enter into this industry. And वो जो influencer वाला part है कि यार मैं start तो जरूर करना चाहती हूँ. So if I ask you, how is the industry and how is the fashion world is performing as per you?
First of all, thank you for such a beautiful introduction. It's such a great way to bring us together. Now for the fashion industry, I think it's the most beautiful industry, and it is also a very taxing industry. It's one of those places that is that has the most bliss and freedom, but also a lot of pressure. So currently, I would say the industry is blooming, but of course has its ups and downs and has its own pressure. And what you said, like, everybody wants to be this influencer. I just have a different opinion to this, which is that, rather than aiming to be somebody who influences, I think the main point here is to bring impact for people, because when you do that for them, the influence already happens. Like for me, I did not dream that मुझे किसी को influence करना है. Like it's in fact a term that's only coined now. When we started so-called influencing, it was called blogging then. Then it became content creation. Then people started making it influencer. So as we go ahead, the terms kind of change. But you can't forget the crux of it, which is to bring something to the audience. It was providing something to the audience.
Makes sense. But क्योंकि जैसे हमने ये बात करी कि हर इंसान इस फील्ड में आना चाहता है, सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कंपटीशन आप बोल सकते हैं, या एवरीवन इज ट्राइंग देयर लक, यू कैन से. सो जो लोग एंटर करना चाहते हैं या एंटर कर रहे हैं, व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि इज इट इजी? I mean, is it paying? Is it worth entering into this particular field? What do you think?
Yes, definitely. It's really worth entering the field for sure. I mean, it's one of those things you can't do without, to be honest, Abhi. Even for a brand, there are many ways that they can do marketing, but this is one of the most effective current ways to do it. It's also, of course, now is a little bit more established, so it's a good time to enter. Yes, there is clutter. Undoubtedly, there's a lot of competition, and one thing you have to be very prepared about is you have to be thick-skinned. This is not for the faint-hearted, because you really don't know what comes out of it. Like, it's such an unpredictable outcome that the only thing that can keep you going is the joy of the process.
Okay. Why do you say that?
Because
any experience, I want to know.
No, in terms of experience, like, see, you really don't know like which video is going to go viral, or what brand is going to come, when you're going to do this. Like, the outcome depends on the audience and how your content will be received. You can't, while, like, for example, we are doing this, can you predict the number of views this will get?
Nah.
You really can't.
Yeah.
So you're only doing this because you enjoy having a conversation with the other person, right? It's not because, oh, मुझे इस पे 1 million view आएगा तो मैं ये question पूछती हूँ तो उसका ये answer आएगा. Like, you can't make that the main reason of it.
True.
So for me, I feel like if you have something to offer to the audience that is new and different and unique and is also very authentically you, then yes, definitely it's a great industry to be in, and it's paying very well at this point also being that because of the competition, you really now like have to be authentic and unique. Like, that's the main point. If you're that, then a brand is ready to pay. But if you're just another girl who's trying to show her looks, unfortunately, it's not enough to survive just on that one business now.
Yeah, makes sense. And इसमें I think थोड़ा deep question हो सकता है, थोड़ा भारी question हो सकता है, but I'll ask you right here because it just crossed my mind कि age, एक particular age हो गया या sex हो गया या even color हो गया. Does that matter in this industry?
Not now. Definitely not now. But it's a bit like, for what you said about age, right? It's in any industry, like the younger generation always takes over. Like, it's the rule of life, right? Like, the younger generation is always going to be more attractive. Like, I always meet my cousins and I'm like, aajkal kya chal raha hai? What's the Gen Z lingo? Tell us, like, what do you guys talk? Where do you guys go? So, that's something that the younger generation always takes the lead on that. For me personally, yes, that fear does creep in that, you'll age, you won't look like this anymore, and then you won't be like the so-called inspiration that you're bringing to the people. This is where I think for me, spiritually now, what I've understood about myself is that if you're truly bringing impact and it's aligning with what you want to do, then there is possibly no age and no color. And now the industry is a bit more open in terms of the kind of, I mean, like you said, age, sex, color. I mean, if you see, there are all kinds of people right now thriving online. They are doing so well. And there's a space for everyone if you present it in a good way. And if the audience sees that you've put in your hard work and your soul into the project, then yes, there's a space for absolutely everyone. Yes, there are some topics, some things that are still taboo. But I think we're on a good path. I think it's a very positive path for sure.
But how do you keep up with all the trends? Take naya, agar fashion industry ki baat kare, so there is always a new trend, always a new technology that is coming up with, every single day. So how do you cope up with that? The different trends and the different technologies and everything that is coming up, and you have to continuously change and continuously bring up something new to influence, of course, your listeners. So how do you do that?
I actually enjoy looking at new things. I'm a very experimentative person. Personally, I get like, anyway, मैं एक चीज करती हूँ खुद ही बोर हो जाती हूँ. So like, I want to keep like learning new things and read new things, what's new and upcoming. It's something that has always interested me very naturally. So for me, it's not like a major effort, but yes, of course, sometimes there's a lot of pressure to, in terms of like trends, sometimes it gets a bit more pressure. But innovation is something that really excites me because I feel like that is the rule of life, right? And you have to change with time. Otherwise, it would be just so boring to keep doing the same thing and keep wearing the same things and have like no difference in your life. That's the rule of life, to kind of keep growing. So I actually enjoy and look forward to the change for me especially. Yes.
So because if I ask you, ऐसा कुछ जो इतनी ट्रेंडिंग चीजें होती रहती है उसमें लॉन्जरी से रिलेटेड आपकी लाइफ में अगर कोई ऐसे embarrassing moment हुआ है तो do you remember anything that comes top of your head?
Yeah, actually, I'm pretty sure. Like if I think about it, बहुत होंगे because I think every woman has gone through so many embarrassing moments.
Yeah,
and it's one of those things. It's only you know. Possibly maybe a close friend that you've shared with. But yeah, definitely on top of my head, now that we are shooting, it's just clicked me. So personally, I love wearing like off-shoulder tops. And this one time, I had to wear an off-shoulder top. And of course, like, you know, you have your bras and they leave like a mark because they dig in your skin.
Yeah, true.
And this was like a big shoot. Generally, we are a cozy team. But then this was like a big one. Or photographers were coming, this, that. And I was, of course, a bit nervous. And it just didn't click me that this is something that could happen. So, you know, once you're done with the makeup, you remove your shirt and you're trying to wear a off-shoulder dress. And I was like, oh my God, now I have these marks. And I had to keep putting makeup to cover those marks.
Jeez,
so, yeah, because for the strap marks. And my mom said, तो 2-3 घंटे पहले ब्रा नहीं पहनना चाहिए था. I was just like, excuse me, like she's like, then you wouldn't have the marks. If you knew you wanted to wear an off shoulder, you should have been prepared. But yeah, I'm just so glad that now there's so much innovation and technology in lingerie that we now have so many more options.
Yeah.
So thank God I recently came across Puree's bra and Flexi Free bra. You'd really like to know. It has some interesting features. It has super smooth fabric. It doesn't dig in your skin and it's super supportive. So I thought that was life-changing personally for me. So I think these two bras are not only just innovative, they've really changed how we feel from within.
And you said it right. I think every one of us has gone through such embarrassing moment when it comes to lingerie and when it comes to bra specifically, because everyone feels like it's a very shy topic and you know, shit, I think it's happening with me only. But it is happening with everyone. And these sort of innovations, I think it's really important. And specifically nowadays with the movement, with the kind of movement and with the kind of pace that female is moving forward, I think that these sort of innovations and technology, that is, I mean, so much required when it comes to lingeries or any sort of fashion per se.
And I think also earlier women used to always just have like one particular place that they had to be. Now there's just so many roles we play as women. We want to exercise, we want to do our job, we want to run around, we want to look good, and you know, we want to do it all. So I think this is an important part that needs to be tackled.
If I ask you, when it comes to even fashion influencing, so is this something like you really have to be very much, you know, be in trend with what sort of bras, what sort of lingeries is coming up, and how you should be taking that fashion part, you know, into your subject?
Yeah, definitely, because I mean, we do get access to things a little earlier than everybody else. So in that way, also personally, me, I'm very experimentative. So I want to wear like all kinds of things. Sometimes a backless. Sometimes I want to wear like an off shoulder. Sometimes you want to wear like one shoulder. So we are trying like all kinds of funky things, right? And every time you wear a different top, you need a different lingerie for that. So I think I'm very interested, like, you know, what's new and upcoming. Because I'm even till date, I'm constantly searching like what's more comfortable than this, what's better than this, like how we can make this better.
And I mean, when even I was talking and I was checking out these particular bras and the innovation that they've come at, I was like, this is something that we need to at least talk about, because innovation wo bhi fashion mein, wo bhi bras mein, I think that's a
really
perfect
great
combination.
Yes, definitely.
Thank you so much for sharing those embarrassing stories with me. I mean, I think lingerie और ये bra का ऐसा relation है जो कभी ना कभी हर लड़की को embarrass करता ही करता है. मतलब I particularly, because I've been in sports also, तो बहुत बार ऐसी situation हुई है, maybe because of not fitting, maybe because of you know, the rashes, the sweat, the boob sweat and everything. So a lot of issues happen, the neckline and everything. But वो होता है, we try to you know,
get uncomfortable,
hide it down, and then we get uncomfortable. So I think opening up about it will make the companies also to come up with new technologies that they have come up with, and that will help us more. So thank you so much first of all for sharing. And उसमें काफी interesting segments हैं जो हमने बात की, काफी interesting innovation and technology they have come up with. तो उसमें 3 bras which I particularly love the most. तो उसके लिए I want to introduce that to the audience through a segment. ठीक है. उसमें what I'm gonna do is हर ब्रा के लिए मैं जो टॉप मेरे पर्टिकुलर फेवरेट 4 इंटरेस्टिंग फीचर्स है, I'll talk about that. और एक कुछ ना कुछ ट्विस्ट वाला चीज, क्योंकि टेक्नोलॉजी ऑफ कोर्स एक फैब्रिक एक टेक्सटाइल में अगर डाल रहे तो कुछ ना कुछ ट्विस्ट तो रहने ही वाला है. सो यू हैव टू टेल मी which one do you find the most twisting one, the most twisted feature, and then I'll tell you why.
Done.
Okay, I'll tell you the 4 segments and the 4 features first. This bra is made with breathable fabric. ठीक है. It has antimicrobial properties to keep you fresh all day. The cups are perforated for enhanced airflow, and it keeps you up to 2 degrees cooler.
I think it's quite obvious. It's 2 degrees cooler. I think it's very interesting. I've not really heard of a bra actually like changing the temperature for you. I think that's very, very interesting.
I mean, when I was saying this feature, I was like,
you gave it away.
I gave it away because this one is the best one. I feel 2 degrees cooler, and so that's why I went into detail also. So they have used some N9 technology, okay? और उसमें क्या किया जब technology they have kept it in the fabric itself, and the fabric when you wear it, it's very ultra soft and everything, so it will keep the body temperature. It will keep up to 2 degrees cooler.
Oh, wow.
So specifically if you're wearing this bra in summertime and you know in while activities or physical activities, imagine the kind of comfort and the kind of cool. Because मैं particularly I feel ये जो skin rashes होते हैं because of boob sweat and everything, and वो जो pinching and digging होती है वो elastic की, so those things if we have a bra which is like keeping your temperature cool in such circumstances, I think it's wonderful. So that's the FabCool bra. मतलब इसमें they have this perforated cups. So perforated is basically holes होते हैं ना, you know, to make the airflow, enhance the airflow. So that's there, and साथ में antimicrobial properties, so it keeps you all fresh and everything. So that's the whole idea. Up to 2 degrees cooler and fresh, and of course enhanced air quality. What do you need?
I mean, like everything in one.
Imagine. Exactly. Okay, jumping to the next product. Ready?
Ready.
This bra is eco-friendly. It has antimicrobial properties. It's skin soothing, and it is made from bamboo.
I think the interesting one is it's made from bamboo. Very recently I read that bamboo is great for textiles, especially lingerie, not textiles, just particularly lingerie, because it's a very eco-friendly textile, and it also gives you a lot more comfort, especially for people like me. I have really sensitive skin, like you touch me and I'll get red. So bamboo as a fabric avoids skin rashes. It's very soothing to the skin. It's very ultra soft. Its fibers are actually better than regular cotton. So I think it's great. It's made out of bamboo. It's like, it's innovation, it's comfort, and it's sustainable. I think it's the best combination.
Wow. And I've never thought that a bra will be made out of bamboo. I mean,
like I said, it's very interesting and innovative.
Textile and fashion industry and technology. I don't know what next is going to come, but this is amazing. This is super incredible. So that is Bamboo Bliss.
Yes.
Okay, moving to the third product. This bra has ultra soft cups. It's a feather light and feels like nothing. It has an invisible neckline, and it is designed for ultimate comfort for all day long.
For me, the cool one is definitely invisible neckline. I love experimenting with fashion, and you know, I want to wear all kinds of things. So especially when you're wearing like something that's low cut, you know, you also sometimes don't want so much to be shown. So this invisible line is one of the most interesting bras out there, I feel. So it gives you the comfort, and you can experiment with fashion, and you can try all these different types of cuts and styles. So that's definitely the one for me.
Again, और वही जो pinching और digging on the skin वो वाला जो major issue रहता है.
Yeah, that's on there.
And I think with any particular from low cut line to any sort of seamless dress that wearing, I think this will make more sense.
Yes.
Superb. So that is Cloud Soft bra, and invisible neckline is something that is, I think, one of again the need of the hour. I want to do one more segment with you when it comes to lingeries also, which is a very hardcore segment. Okay. I'll say one name, any one song that comes top of your head, you have to tell me that. Okay,
that's a tough one.
Let's see. Let's try that out. So the first one, the 2 degree cooler, FabCool.
That's this song, right? Cool for the summer.
Cloud Soft.
Cloud Soft. This is a tough one. Oh, I'm levitating.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride.
Purees.
Pure ease. You're my best friend.
That my best friend. She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no.
Ease really is your best friend.
Yeah, exactly. Pure ease. Yeah, makes sense. Okay, that was crazy fun. Now tell me one last question, one thing that my listeners want to know: how to choose an innovative lingerie piece.
I think the most important thing is to know your correct measurements. Most people are going wrong by not knowing their correct measurements. So I think that's like the first most important thing. And second is the kind of support they are looking at. Personally for me, like I like full support. So you need to go for those kind of lingerie pieces. Also, I think don't be scared to try new things and look for newer innovation, because every industry, especially fashion industry, is constantly evolving. So definitely be very open-minded to trying new things. And for me personally, features like I see is seamless edges, the fabric is comfortable, everything is not digging in my skin, and which brings me to the point, comfort over style.
Thank you so much, Hina. I mean, it's a wonderful session and you're doing amazing. And of course, like I mentioned at the start, you're a pioneer in fashion influencing. So you're doing wonderful there. And super thank you for sharing such wonderful insights.
Thank you. It's been an honor and fun to be here.
Yeah, thank you.